73 Ford Falcon XB. And I know the Australian guys are always showing pictures, and somebody from the US is going, "Hey man, that's a nice Torino." No. '73 Ford Falcon XB. And I know the Australian guys are always showing pictures, and somebody from the US is going, "Hey man, that's a nice Torino." No, it's a Ford Falcon, not a Ford Torinio. It's Ford Falcon. Now here in the US, our Falcons were kind of little tiny things. So over there in Australia, they took a lot of the Torino stuff and this and that, and they made their cars into this Falcon. And it's a pretty cool looking car. This is done in a very dark green metallic. It's got yellow flames outlined in olive on the hood. Also got some black on the hood. And the flames on the side go all the way down. The marker lights are done up in the back. You can see a door handle there to get in. Has a black grille. And yeah, the rear panel, the taillight panel, is done up in black also. I'm going to say goes with the interior, all one unit. Has a chrome base, and the wheels are gold chrome MC5s. Big ones in the back, little ones in the front. And there you go. That is the '73 Ford Falcon XB from Australia. All of our friends in Australia. Hey guys.